Charisma, and in today's video I want to talk about my Hairsock head wraps. You guys have seen me talk about them a lot, and a lot of you guys have purchased, and I thank you so very much. But I want to show you the ways that you can use your Hairsock. So I'm going to show you the ways that you can use it, and then I'll show you some of the newest ones that I have. So I'll start with this one, which I think is a really pretty color. This is a new one. This is I call it yellow sunshine floral print, because it's yellow and it's really sunny. It's really cute. Now these hair socks, head wraps, LOC socks, like everyone has a different name for it, but hair sock, head wraps, neck gaiters are very versatile, and you can use it as a headband, a sleep cap. Like you can really, like, if you're creative enough, you can find different ways to use it. I've even seen some people take it and put it around their wrist and use it as like a bracelet. Honestly, I saw it on Etsy. I'm not lying to you, I promise. I saw it. So this is one way that you can use it. But for hair purposes, these are great to lock in moisture. These are great for locks. Like if you have long locks, if you have long braids. A lot of people don't know, like when you put in braids, extensions, you know, you want something that's gonna protect your hair while you're asleep. And because it's open on both ends, it's a tube. I'll have to definitely do a demo. I'm gonna be doing passion braids. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So basically you would take this, scrunch it up like that, put it over your head. Now this is one way that you can wear it. You can wear it as a headband, just like this. See? Simple, cute. Now you can also take it now, if you wanted to, you can widen it out however you want. Now if you put your hair up in a bun, a high bun, you can take this and now tuck it in around that bun and just have it like this. And the bigger your bun is, the bigger the head wrap will be, and you'll be able to see the design really nicely. And if you want, like if you have a ponytail and the hair is coming out of it, the hair, you could basically put this on and you would have the ponytail coming out or the braids coming out. I'll put in a picture. Now, another way you can use this is as a neck, I'm messing up my hair, as a neck gaiter. Like this, so if you want to wear a mask, like that. Now, you can also wear it around your neck too, like that. So as you can see, it has so many functions. It's very versatile. It's very pretty. So right now I'm gonna leave this on. And I'm gonna show you the different ones that I have. I have this one here. This is a checkered print leopard style. This is hot, man. I'm trying to tell you. I got so many likes on Instagram for this one. And thank you to those of you who have purchased. This is one of my newest ones, and this is one of my favorite ones. Like, I keep saying that, but it's true. Like, when I make them, I normally make them for myself, but other people like them. But like the things that I make, I wear. This one is a lovely tribal print. It is so pretty. The design is awesome, you guys. OMG, I love it. I do my best to try to pick out prints that I think you guys would like. I do my best to pick out prints that are just different, that I haven't seen anyone else do, because you guys know my style is like bold patterns, bold prints, saturated colors, girly colors, unique colors, things that you won't normally see people wear, you know? I mean, you can always opt for a plain one, But look at this one. This has chains with flowers. I actually made myself a birthday outfit from this fabric. I'll insert a picture so you can see that. Outfit came out so nice. My birthday is in May. This one is on my site. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I get excited when I see like different prints and stuff. I just love fashion. I love beauty. I love pretty things, you know? This is, what do I call this one? My fire red and green, because the red reminds me of fire. And then it has like little bits of green in it. So as you can see. Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll insert a picture of each one on my mannequin so you can see what it's looking like. Now I also have this, look at this beautiful soft pink. You guys know I love a pink. Oh my gosh. So pretty. It's just a soft, beautiful pink. For those of you who like something feminine and not too crazy, this is definitely a good one. And all of them come in longer lengths. Like this is a 25-inch one. And the reason why someone would need something this length, again, is for locks or braids. Because when you wear it, your locks is gonna go through it and come out the back. Now, some of you who have ordered don't want the bottom open and want me to sew it, I can also do that. That will be a custom order. When you go on my Etsy shop, you'd have to request a custom order. Also for the lengths as well, because different people, depending on how long their locks, their braids are, whatever it is, they need, you know, a length that corresponds to the length of their hair. So that's all I have for you today for the new ones, guys. Definitely check out my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/charisma for you. I have over 30 some odd hair socks, and I'm adding more to the site each week. When one print is gone, it's gone, because as you know, with COVID-19, a lot of the fabric shops, a lot of the local fabric shops have closed down. So the things that were available to me are not anymore. So once a print is gone, it's gone. And what I'll just continue to do is just restock with different prints or whatever. So if you've been seeing a print on my shop that's been there for a while, when my fabric is done with that, you're not going to be able to get it anymore. So don't wait. Plus the Christmas season is coming up, so I would definitely encourage you all to start doing your shopping early, because as you know, I'm opening up a second business. My website is launching very soon, before the end of this month. So if I get busier with that one, like I'm not going to be able to fill orders, you know, all at one time for Christmas. So I gotta pace myself. I'm a one-woman show here. So yeah, so definitely guys, check out my Etsy store, etsy.com/shop/charisma for you, and check out my business Instagram, Charisma for You Fashion. We want to get those numbers up, and sign up on my email list at charismaforyou.com, because I'm going to be launching my new website with a new product, totally unrelated to hair, and I'm very excited. I've been working overtime for you guys. All of you guys who have supported me, I thank you so much. I have some new things coming out, new ideas, new. Behold, old things are passed away and all things become new is like my mantra. We have a lot of things going on in this world today, but if you could just stay positive in terms of, I know that's cliche, but stay productive, stay in a right state of mind. Don't allow what's going on outside to deceive you, to get you off track, to make you lose your focus. Pray to God, your higher power, and everything is going to be okay. It will be okay. It might not seem okay to the average person who doesn't understand what's going on, but it's going to be okay to you if you serve that man above. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good one. Love you all. Bye. Oh, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my videos, and follow me on Instagram, and